Good morning. In our today's video, I'll be solving question 4 of this paper that was done on February-March 2023. The question reads, the circumference around the trunk of a large tree is measured and found to be 5.00 meters. After 1 year, the circumference measured again and found to be 5.02. Given that the circumference at yearly interval form an arithmetic progression, find the circumference find the circumference 20 years after the first measurement. So when you're given such a kind of a question, you need to remember the term-to-term rule in an AP. So in an AP, the term-to-term rule is UN equals to A plus N minus 1 D. UN means the nth term. Okay, now if you look at this question, um, the measurement at first it was 5.00 meters, and then after 1 year, which means the T1, or we can talk about the U1. Let me use the U1 because the formula is making use of user. So U1 is given by 5.02 meters, and U0, that's just the measurement that was there. That is 5.00 meters. So what we can do, guys, we can get the common difference by subtracting 5.00 from 5.02. So we're going to have 5.02 meters times 5.00 meters. So this is giving us a common difference of 0.02 meters. Now that you're having a common difference, so we need to get the length after the 10th year of measurement. So the value of n becomes 20. Then U20 is given by the initial measurement, which is U1, that's 5.02 meters, uh, plus the number of terms, which are 20 minus 1, then times 0.02. Guys, when you do this, it's going to give you 5.4. Let me prove using my calculator here. So that is 5.02 plus 19 times 0.02. So it's giving us 5.40 meters. Good. So that's what you're supposed to do in question 4A. We are having question 4B here. Given that given instead that the circumference at yearly interval form a GP, find the circumference 20 years after the first measurement. So in this question, there is something that you have to understand. The term-to-term rule changes. So UN becomes A times Rn minus 1, where R is a common ratio. But you've been given from the question at the beginning. If you read the question very well, this is our question. Where is it? Our U0 is 5.00 and our U1 is 5.02. So we can actually create a sequence like this. U0 is 5.00, then 5.02. So we can get a common ratio by taking the next term, which is 5.02 divided by 5.00. And this one gives us, so we have 5.02 divided by 5. It's giving us 1.004. It's giving us 1.004. Note that this one is a ratio and we can't give it a unit. Now, once you get that, to get your U20, that is the length after 20 years of the first measurement, you have to do, you take the first measurement, which was U1, that is 5.02, times your common ratio, which is 1.004 raised to power 20 minus 1, just as what the formula is saying. So you'll end up getting, so you have 5.02 times into brackets, you put in like in the calculator like that, so 1.004. So we have 1.004 raised to the power of which power is that again? Let me see. Power of 19. That's 20 minus 1. So you get 5.41557. So this is roughly 5.42 meters. Guys, that is question number 4. That's how you're supposed to solve it. It was as easy as that. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and share it to your friend.